It's all about the party. It's all about the. It's all about the. It's all about the party. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
पुत्र मगर हुआ क्या यार?
पापा मैं पापा बन गया, पापा मैं पापा बन गया, पापा बन गया, पापा मैं पापा बन गया, देखो मैं पापा बन गया, सोचो मैं पापा बन गया, पापा मैं पापा बन गया, पापा मैं पापा बन गया.
હેલો ડોલી, કેમ છે? મજામાં? હું દાદી તૈયારીઓના સમાચાર સાંભળીને જ બહુ ખુશ થઈ ગઈ છું. હું કાયમ તારી સાથે જ છું. તું ચિંતા નહીં કર. કોંગ્રેચ્યુલેશન.
I'm very happy to be a grandfather.
Congratulations, Rushabh and Dolly. Love just got real. We are so very excited for you. Yo, chacha to be. Jo, हमने फटाका फुटवा लगा. Thank you for adding 2 little feet to our family. Wishing you an easy, safe delivery and a very, very, very healthy baby like me.
Congratulations, my blessing to Rushabh and Dolly for giving one more addition in our Shah family.
Congratulations, Rushabh and Dolly. All the best for the new chapter in your life. You have a great, great life ahead. Thank you.
We can't wait to welcome the little angel.
Rushabh, let your enthusiasm be your gift to the child, and Dolly, let your genuineness, your trustworthiness and your reliability be your gift to the child.
Here's to all the sleepless nights.
Congratulations.
हाय डॉली, तेरे लिए 4 लाइनें पेश करती हूँ. न जाने कितनी ख्वाहिशों को उमंगों को दिल में दबाए बैठे हो. उसकी एक झलक पाने के लिए उम्मीद लगाए बैठे हो.
वाह, क्या बात.
बॉय है या गर्ल, लड़का है या लड़की, ये कंफ्यूज में हो, पर माँ बनने की खुशी में मन ही मन में शर्माए बैठे हो.
First of all, congratulations to both of you for your new blessing and a bundle of joy. Yours, whether it's a boy or a girl, it will fill up your life with happiness. All the best wishes for both of you from all of us. All the best. Take care. Bye.
Congratulations, Bobby and Dolly.
Hi Dolly Bubbly. So soon you are going to be parents. Parenthood is a huge transition. Moms to be and dads to be prepared for a great change in their life. And a cute baby forms an emotional bridge of relation between mom and dad. So you have to obtain that relation at every stage of life forever. And during this period of lockdown, Bubbly, apart being a husband, you have to perform a different role of character. You will have to be Dolly's mother, father, and friend. So,
Be prepared!
Dolly, take good care of you.
Take your baby. We are your elder sisters.
Come soon. We want to play with you.
Happy
Baby shower.
Yay!
Hi Rishabh, how are you? This is Ranjan Ben Shah family calling from India, Mumbai. Congratulations to you and Dolly.
Congratulations,
baby. We are so proud of you.
Take care.
તું અમને ચાચુ બનાવી દીધા, આ બંનેને ચાચી બનાવી
Stay
દીધા.
happy.
તારો છોકરો કે છોકરી આ ટેડી બેર જેવું હોય. They should look like this. આમને તો તું ગ્રેન્ડ દાદી બનાવી દીધી. ફઈ like એવી રીતના. So we are so happy, like even I am giving her blessings to your son. Ashirwad, blessings, everything, whatever you want.
Take care.
And we are so happy and so proud that you are getting on your fatherhood and everyone. So congratulations once again for your beautiful child who will be coming. And congratulations for your whole family, including
Take care,
Papa,
Dolly,
Mama,
Rishi.
Mami, Jimmy,
Congratulations,
Rishabh, Dolly,
Dolly and
everyone.
Dolly and Bubbly.
happy and healthy.
Stay happy and healthy. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy your fatherhood for the lifetime. Enjoy karo. And may your all wishes come true. Love you.
Be happy.
Hi Rishabh. Hi Dolly. This is Chokufai from Dallas. I want to congratulations to you and have good luck for your baby and baby shower. We are all here together. We all want to wish you good luck.
Congratulations!
Can't wait to meet the baby.
Hi Dolly, how are you?
Hope you are in the best of health. Wish you all the very best.
Hi Rishabh, કેમ છો બેટા? બાય.
તારા ગુડ ન્યૂઝ તમને બહુ આનંદ થયો. ગુડ વિશિસ ફોર ન્યૂ બિગિનિંગ.
It's a thing of joy to learn about your pregnancy, Mami. We just can't wait to set eyes on your cute baby, Bubbly Mama and Dolly Mami.
Maybe a girl, maybe a boy.
Here's something to welcome your bundle of joy.
With lots of love for both of you.
And blessings for your baby too.
Hi Dolly. Hi Rishabh. Congratulations.
Sending you the warm wishes, Rishabh and Dolly, as you head towards this adventure of parenthood. Hey little angel, we await your birth. This is Pia to be, this is Fua to be. Congratulations and Dolly, please take care.
Congratulations, Mama and Papa to be. A designer baby is on its way with the Shah and the Zubovic genes, with Dolly's looks and Rishabh's sense of humor and jovial nature. We'll wait and watch for whose brain and intellect. Dolly, this is going to be the best part in your life, the best days. So be a queen, pamper yourself, enjoy your pregnancy. Let Rishabh do all the work. As it is lockdown. And wishing you guys a very, very healthy pregnancy and looking forward to your bundle of joy. All the best.
Hey, for Rishabh!
For Dolly.
X is coming home. So, IDX family have a boom boom blast. Let the noise begin. Welcome to parenthood.
Dolly. Goodbye, Tommy. Hello, Mommy.
Rishabh, hitting the bottle is going to take a whole new meaning. Let the baby grow up to be as funny as me. Once again, congratulations and take care.
Wishing you all the best with the new baby who is not far away now. Please let us know if you need absolutely anything along the way. Very excited for both of you. Congratulations. Wish you endless love and boundless patience for making your new role as super parent a grand success.
चलो लंदन वापस.
हे धिकताना तिकताना धिकताना धिक धिकताना तिकताना धिकताना
हे धिकताना तिकताना धिकताना धिक धिकताना तिकताना धिकताना
आज पड़ेगा सबको गाना धिकताना तिकताना धिकताना धिक धिकताना तिकताना धिकताना धिकताना तिकताना धिकताना धिक धिकताना तिकताना धिकताना धिकताना तिकताना धिकताना धिक धिकताना तिकताना धिकताना लौटा फिर बचपन का जमाना धिकताना तिकताना धिकताना धिक धिकताना तिकताना धिकताना धिकताना तिकताना धिकताना धिक धिकताना तिकताना धिकताना